Zakayo ashuke asishuke? Zakayo ashuke asishuke? Aya, nikisema kitu ya uongo, mnasema uongo. Sawa sawa? Wakenya hamjambo. Mimi nataka niwaeleze. Na nataka mnisikize vizuri. Hapa vile vile tayari tumekwisha weka mpango ya 6 billion ili hawa mama mboga na hawa watu makanga na hawa vinyozi na wale wabeba sasa hawa wote wataweza kukopa deni ya serikali bila interest. Sijui kama tunaelewana. Mimi nitazungumza na huyu mjumbe wenu. Hii barabara ya kutoka hapa Kiamo kama kwenda paka hapo Kianyabinge, kwenda paka Getaurio, huyu contractor alikuwa ni mkora. Sasa nitaleta contractor mwingine. Na mimi nataka niwaambie hivi: falsehoods, misconceptions and half truths will not have an opportunity in the Kenya that we seek to build. Ni kweli si kweli? Zakayo ashuke asishuke? Ashuke asishuke? Excellency Mother Karua, first let me congratulate you on this day and say thank you. I have bared the pain and brunt of this government. They have come after me. They have come after my family. They've even come after me with KRA. I've been arrested. I've been put in several police stations. But you have stood with me as my lawyer and my advocate. And I want to confirm to the people of PLP that I've never paid even 10 shillings. As our mother and our friend, we honor you and we honor your sacrifice to this country. We do not take it for granted that you've given your heart towards the liberation of Kenya. We as the young people are here to support you through that journey. I have heard many speakers come up here and speak about the unity of leaders. That I agree. That as leaders we must come together. Kwa sababu lazima Kasongo aende nyumbani. However, ladies and gentlemen, we must remember that the problem of our country is beyond leaders. It is also a problem of society and culture. We need to think very seriously about the economic liberation of the people of Kenya, and more especially the young people, and for them to have opportunities to live, work, and grow in this country. 78% of our population is made up of young people. And out of that population, 6 million young people are looking for jobs, and they cannot find. The president that we have is claiming to have created jobs in the construction sector. Those are mjengo jobs. Now, as you are very well aware, those jobs are temporary, and they are not permanent. Young people need dignified employment. The Cabinet Secretary for Labor, Alfred Mutua, recently I met him at the airport when I was coming from Mombasa, and he threatened me. And I want to say from this stage that he should return the 16 million shillings that he collected from young people as a promise to give them jobs in Saudi Arabia. He collected 50,000 from each of those young people, and to this day, none of them have gotten visas to go and work abroad. We should be very deliberate about creating job opportunities at home. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand here as a testimony that young people are very much interested in the leadership and governance of our country. And you, the young people, are listening to me. Today is a wake-up call to you, not just to be voters, but to stand up for positions of governance. You should not just complain. You should be solution finders. You are not enough to just be voters. You can be members of parliament, you can be senators, you can be governors, and you can be presidents. You can be the change that you want to see. And I hope to see that. My hope for the People's Liberation Party, which is PLP, is that it will give more tickets to young people to run for different positions. Na mimi Mheshimiwa Mother Karua Senior Council, I want to request you that these young people, you should waive the money that they need to pay for party ticket, so that young people get free ticket to stand up for leadership in our country. Mwisho kabisa, as I finish, I've had the privilege of touring this country, 32 counties in total. Na mheshimiwa, mimi nataka kukuambia kwamba ile mambo inaendelea hapa ni wizi bila kazi. It is theft to the left, theft to the right, and theft in the center. There is nothing that is going on in our country. Out of a budget of 3.9 trillion, 70% of this goes to theft and pilferage of public funds. And if you go everywhere in this country, it is dead project after dead project. Corruption has killed our devolution. It has killed opportunities to young people. Please, if you get an opportunity, give that a thought and ensure that we end corruption in our country. Mimi nina azma ya kuwa rais wa Kenya. But that is the will of God. It is God that gives leadership. It is not me to give it to myself. If you become our president ahead of me, ile kitu peke yake naomba ni kiti ya anti-corruption. Mimi, and I want to work for free. I don't want to be paid. Nipatie tu hiyo kiti ya EACC na uzime simu. Uniwache mimi nitashughulikia hawa. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you very much, Morara Kebaso. I would like to invite Professor Kivuta Kibwana. He was